How to fix Instagram reel is unavailable problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So sometimes you can see that the reel is not available message if your Instagram is not updated to the latest version. So go to your app store and then go to the search bar at the bottom right corner and then search for Instagram. Open it up, and then if update is available, make sure that you update your device. Just click on update. You'll need to wait for a few minutes until the update is done. After that, you can head over to settings, and then you can go to general, go to software update, and you need to make sure that the iPhone is updated to the latest version of the iOS. And then what you can do next is come back, go to iPhone storage, and then you can search for Instagram and then offload app. Offloading Instagram will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So you can keep the documents and data by offloading the app, but when you reinstall the app again, it will be updated to the latest version automatically by preventing all the errors and glitches. So I hope one of these solutions helped you out. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.